I've been putting this off about 2 months now. Boy, the start sealing kit. It's gonna take some time, but I'm gonna try to get it done, man. Cause I know they're gonna try to knock my head off at the shop, so I'm gonna go down and show y'all what I got, and let's go and get to it. All right, so we got the Chandler kit, and I think it's $135 a piece. It was like $270. What was that? Yeah, $270. Yeah, $270 altogether. The kit come with 2, I guess, light sets, the adapter, remote. You can download the app too for it. This separate adapter. Plug this piece into this. Yeah, that controller like that. Got the glue gun, glue sticks, got my tarp, and got my paint because I'm not finna put a whole new in there. And it's duplicate color, and this right here is specifically for fabrics or whatever. So I got 6 cans, and I think I got all of this off Amazon, I want to say. And I'll just put everything in the description. If y'all want to get anything from down here, it'll be in the description. Alright, y'all, had to change my shirt, get something a little more loose. So I'm gonna take the seat. I'm gonna take the front 2 seats out, just so I can have like a little bit more room to work with, just so the seats and stuff won't be in my way, just so I can get to the headline like right after that. But I'm get this camera set up, and we can go and get these seats up. Yeah, so I gotta go back to the store, man. I need half-inch socket, so I can take this other side right here off and yeah, one of these, like the bit to fit this right, so I can take the seatbelt off, so I can get the seat out. Yeah, I think we got everything loose. Just gotta take the power back off. Well, take the power back off. Unplug the power supply, and I guess I can just go down, pull the seats out. Alright, y'all, so it's the next day. Got all my seats and stuff out. But the headline's still in. It's a certain way that I'm trying to get it to turn, but the doggone steering wheel. I'm gonna try to fight with it some more today. Like, man, I knew this shit was gonna be wild, but I guess that's what I signed up for when I said I was gonna do this project. But yeah, I'm gonna try to fight with it some more and get it taken out. And once I do, I know how to get it out. It's just getting it in the right position to get it out. So yeah, man, let's get to work. Alright, so y'all see how this is leaning this way? I have to get that other side up on the steering wheel to turn it this way and slide it out like this. So it just turned it, man. So I guess yesterday I was kind of scared because every time I bend it a little bit, you know what I'm saying, it started cracking. So I kind of, you know what I'm saying, was kind of bend it a little bit more so that it'll flex, but it's out. Time to paint it, and how you do it? How to do it? Yeah. But yeah. Time to go and paint this thing, man. I'll catch y'all in the next video.